Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so today's Friday, 31st of May, yeah. By today we're already 3 weeks old. So I'm 3 weeks postpartum, 3 weeks and some days. I'm 3 weeks postpartum, and Derek is as well 3 weeks old, so 3 weeks plus. Anyways, today's Friday. Everybody's quiet now because Brian and Jason are not home. My husband went to pick Brian from school, and then they were going to cut their hair. So they're due for a haircut. The house is quiet, like, because these kids are not home. Once they come back, hey God, my house start shaking, literally start shaking. Anyway, so yeah, Derek is still sleeping, although he's making a bit of noise like he's about to wake up. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. He's sleeping, but it looks like he's about to wake up. Anyways, me, I want to go and make food now. I want to make jollof rice today. I'm hungry, so I want to start making food before they get back. Food should be ready. And yeah, that's about it for today. They want to cut their hair. When they come back, I'll show you guys their haircuts. We're going out tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. We're going for a birthday party tomorrow. So I need the boys to be looking sharp. But aside from that, their hair is really full and going, so they all have to get a haircut. So yeah, that's what it is. Let me go and start cooking before this young man wakes up and starts to disturb me. So yeah, let me go and start cooking. I don't know if I'll cook it. There's no light, so everywhere isn't bright like that, and it's the weather is a bit gloomy because it rained. So, but let's see if the I don't know how the kitchen will look, if it's gonna be bright or not. So let's see. So I'm gonna see you guys in the kitchen, or maybe tomorrow when I get ready to leave the house. So yeah. Mhm. Oh, yeah, come and say hi. Okay, the boys are back now. Brian, let me see your hair. You just flashed the light. Jason, let me see your hair. See this one. Stand here. Come on, stand with Brian. Come, come, come. Oh my God. Brian, give him his car. Give him his car. This is what I go through. Okay, so they're back from cutting their hair. Hey guys, please don't mind the noise. So much generator is on. Okay, so I'm trying to get the lights on. Guys, it's my house. Okay, I think this is better. Because I'm trying to get into the lights so I can talk to you guys. Anyway, today's Saturday. I told you guys I'm going for a birthday party with the kids. So we're getting ready now. Brian and Jason are taking a shower. Me, cut my hair. I did my hair yesterday, right? Okay, I think I should. I didn't wash my hair yesterday, so yeah, I'm just gonna cut my hair until I'm done. Trying to get ready. I'm gonna have my bath. I'm waiting for Jason's taking a shower actually, so I'm waiting for him to finish up and have my bath. Like I said, Daddy and Baby will be at home today with my mom, me, and both of us. And he's just getting ready. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys. Instead of getting ready, you guys gonna see us next in the car. Because I want to be like 12 hours. So 10, don't think that before I finish getting these children ready, finish 10 o'clock already. So yeah, so I just want to tell you guys also we have breakfast, we've done all of that, we're just trying to get ready. It's a busy weekend for me because my parents will be coming to my parents will be coming to actually my dad. becoming to medicine, I was coming with my brothers, my uncle, I was coming with people. So I had to still come back and start preparing for tomorrow and all that. So it's really a very busy weekend for me. But yeah, see this part, I must go. Okay, that is stopping me. So yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. I just wanted to update you guys on what's up for today. We might see next in the car, or maybe when we are all ready, I'll just show you guys what we're wearing, what we look like. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay?
He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. Better don't sleep in the... You know you're done. This one I got you with the job, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do the get what's it go? G-Wagon, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. Brian, say hi. Yay! Tell people who dance today, Abby. Brian, you dance. Brian, dance now. Oh.
Are you thinking about we hate that when you get my man?
Guinea.
Video that I never said when I never said let's not do it today. When I start
Hi. Why is your face like this? Did everybody beat you?
Give me.